Hi felters and crafters, and welcome. My goodness, I have had a response from you guys. Thank you so much. I have started writing out all the video ideas. I am literally only halfway through the comments. I am trying to get through them all. Don't worry, all the comments with your video ideas will be in the drawer if I haven't hearted it yet. It will be in there. The comment picker is going to go through all of them. So we're going to do that in a second. And obviously the prize is an advent calendar that I'm going to post to you guys. And as I said, it's UK only. Let me just read you a couple of the ideas. Visit more independent crafter shops, different animals, not just farmland, woodland, 2D pics, wet felting, earrings and necklaces. That's an interesting one. Animal eyes. I do have one on Patreon actually about that. Puffin. I've got that on Patreon as well. 2D Highland cow, watch me trying Tunisian crochet, a donkey, a gonk or a troll, visit to a wool producer to see wool being processed and dyed. World of Wool, please invite me when you're ready. And actually when World of Wool reopens, because they're going to have a cafe as well, it's not till springtime. I'm definitely going to go and video that, don't worry. Flowers, butterflies, video on past projects, video on the basics. I'm going to do a whole new series again. Fairies, angels and faces. I might default to faces because I'm not very good at them, but fairies and angels definitely. Oh, different cow breeds. Someone mentioned that, and I have quite a few different cow breeds on my Patreon. The link to Patreon's in my description. I've got some exclusive tutorials on there. My favourite makes, insects. Lots of people wanted the developing process, how I go from an idea in my head all the way through. And someone actually said going from an idea in my head all the way through to my Etsy shop. So that shows you the whole process. So we had an amazing number of entries and really good ideas. Thank you so much. I love it because it just inspires me to sort of go forwards with some of them, that especially like the process one and things like that. That's something I can do quite easily. So anyway, thank you so much. You've been waiting for. Let's go to the prize draw. So here we are. It is 18 minutes past 5 and I'm just going to paste the video in here. We've got a random comment picker. So that's the video. It'll fetch. Anything goes. Yes, anything does go. I'll check the winning comment. Anyway, so we've got all the comments. Are you ready? We're going to pick a winner. Chloe Smith, 1852. I would love a video about the types of needles. I'm always struggling to remember what each of them is for, the colours and numbers. I'd love any videos showing your crochet projects too. Oh, how lovely. Happy birthday as well. Thank you. Thank you, Chloe. That's so kind of you. You are the winner. So well done to the winner. Thank you everyone else for taking part. It means the world to me to read all your beautiful comments, and so many people entered from the US and other countries as well that couldn't take part, and even though they knew they couldn't take part, they gave me ideas too. So a huge thank you to everyone. Take care everybody, and we'll see you again soon, if not 6 AM in the morning with the next Advent day. Take care, bye.